Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create a project in FreeCAD. Whether you're designing a mechanical part, creating a three-dimensional model, or starting a larger engineering project, setting up your project correctly is the first step. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll be taken to the main workspace where you can create and manage your design files. To start a new project, click the File menu near the top of the screen and select New. You can also use the New Project icon on the toolbar if it's available in your version of FreeCAD. As your project develops, continue saving your work regularly. This helps protect your progress and makes it easier to return to your design later. You can also organize complex projects by using meaningful names for sketches, bodies, and components. Good organization becomes especially important as designs become larger and more detailed. Before moving on to advanced modeling, take a moment to review your project structure and confirm that everything has been set up correctly. And that's how to create a project in FreeCAD. By starting with a properly organized project file, you'll have a solid foundation for building accurate and efficient designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.